Well, it's been a couple of months after the launch of Pixel Pro and nearly a year for the Galaxy S22 Ultra in the market. It's time to see which one holds best against each other, as Google nailed it with the Pixel Pro. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, as per on paper specs, S22 Ultra is obviously a winner, but don't get yourself in the wrong direction, as Pixel Pro brings one of the best Android experience out there. Usually I talk about display, but cameras are where the game started, as Pixel Pro is a great photography device. Although in numbers, Pixel Pro comes with 50 megapixel main shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom. Whereas S22 Ultra comes with 108 megapixel main shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 210 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom and 10x zoom. But the output and the image processing on the Pixel Pro nailed it with the more color accurate shots than the S22 Ultra, as Google came with the new better AI algorithms. Although if you need more zoomed in shots and love to take more zoomed in shots, I would prefer S22 Ultra over Pixel Pro, because S22 Ultra has a dedicated 10x zoom option. All in all, Pixel Pro actually take a lead in camera over S22 Ultra. Also, Pixel Pro comes with a new cinematic mode, just like the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and another cool feature like unblur to fix your old images, where S22 Ultra offers 8K video recording, which Pixel don't offers. Let me know in the comments, which one would you prefer, Pixel Pro or S22 Ultra? Now, battery is something everyone cares about, as Pixel Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with the same 5000 mAh battery. But surprising to see, S22 Ultra lasts longer than the Pixel Pro, about half an hour, meaning Pixel Pro died before S22 Ultra. I have to say, some of my subscribers see way less screen on time on the Pixel Pro, and they are not happy with the battery of the Pixel Pro. Neither they do with the S22 Ultra, but after the update of One UI, S22 Ultra is getting better in battery usage. You can go for either of this device, as S22 Ultra didn't last much longer, just about half an hour. I will surely consider performance while getting any of this device, as Pixel Pro comes with Tensor Gen 2 chipset, which Google made in collaboration with Samsung, but in benchmarks, it didn't perform well. As in real life usage, it works pretty well with the Android 13, as stock Android runs smooth on Pixel devices, where S22 Ultra is better in raw performance, but initially with its software bugs, it gave a bad experience. Although after newer updates, the animations on the S22 Ultra is really good. So I would say if you need a raw performance, S22 Ultra is a great option, and if you need a better user experience with Android, then I would say Pixel Pro is a good option. The displays on both devices are slightly different, as S22 Ultra comes with 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 120Hz panel, whereas the Pixel Pro comes with 6.7 inches LTPO AMOLED 120Hz panel. Now there is a difference in peak brightness, where S22 Ultra comes with 1750 nits peak brightness and Pixel Pro comes with 1500 nits peak brightness. Also, if you like flat display, then Pixel Pro, and if you like curved display, then S22 Ultra. One thing to mention, S22 Ultra costs much more than the Pixel Pro, as Pixel Pro cost around $899, where S22 Ultra cost around $1200 at the time of the launch, which is a big difference. If you guys want to see how S22 Ultra performs against the iPhone 14 Pro Max, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.